welcome back to Candy's Hair Diary. Today we are going to do a little something different. If you haven't caught my other 30-minute crochet video, go ahead and check that out. It is right up here. So I'm gonna do like a different variation of the style. So the other style still got it loose in the back. And then I had a top knot, which was crocheted around in a bun. So today, I want to do the full thing, like loose. And y'all, when I say this hair has been so low maintenance, like I literally just put it up like this and put my hair scrapper around it, tie it down, and go to bed. And when I get up, let it fall, fluff, fluff, shape it a little bit, and that has been it. So I was like, yeah, I need to do a different variation of this and let it like all be down. So I took that top knot down. I put this in two little knot buns, and I left my edges out because I want to be able to wear it, and I want it to look a little bit more natural. And the good thing about this, not having the braids, is even if it gets fuzzy and stuff in here, it will look even more natural. So I'm going to be using the same hair I was using. This is the Braidless Junior Boho Kinky Junior, and y'all, they didn't even put a length. So I have no idea what length this is, but it's junior, so I'm sure it's just made for junior because it's made for kids. And I wanted to get it tried out in a longer size, but I cannot find this texture in a longer size, so I might have to end up trying to order it off. Oh yeah. So I have already opened up a pack, and as you can see, this is the texture of it. So it's definitely natural looking. I'm gonna say it's not like soft, but it's not like crunchy hard. If y'all hear some noise, that's because guess who's up in here. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started crocheting. I'm probably gonna get started like around here, and then work my way up. So let's go ahead and get started. Turn the page. Hey y'all, I was like, as if you've seen the last video, like I was taking maybe like one strand and doing it like that. I won't be doing that for the front because it just takes too long. So I generally have been using like this is about three to four strands and popping them in. They don't have to be too close together because this hair is already kind of full and super curly. So or if you want to do the single ones like further up towards the front, then that would be good too. I gotta do a single one. Do a single one right here. Just so that way it'll look a little bit more natural when you go to pull it back. All right, y'all, I just got done with one side, and as you can see, y'all see how big this is? Like, it's definitely big hair. I still need to kind of shape it. I'm definitely gonna shape it when I get done. So let's go ahead and fill in the other side, and I'll come back with the final product. All right, y'all, I am done. Now, when I say that this is definitely giving me like big hair don't care vibes, like if you like big hair, then this is definitely the look for you. Yeah, this is a lot of hair, y'all. This is definitely a lot of hair. I probably would do the same method, but with like a small or looser curl pattern, because it's so much freaking hair. And I'm typically, I like the hair, but this is a lot of hair. It's cute. It's definitely cute, but like I said, it's just a lot of hair, y'all. It's a lot of hair. And I'm thinking, like, even for like the summertime, like I feel like I would be sweating profusely. I don't know if I should shape it some more, because I only just did like a quick shaping just because I'm done. So yeah, I mean, I don't know if I really like it too tough. I love the method, definitely sticking with the same method, but as far, like I said, as a curl pattern, it's just really, it's a lot. It's a lot. I don't even know if I feel like kind of somewhat, just like barely kind of slicking it back. Like I could probably pin it back. I could probably pin it back maybe. I might like it if I pin it back, so it won't seem like so much hair, but it still is a lot of hair. Yeah, it still is a lot of hair, y'all. But I mean, it's cute. Like I could probably put like a pin or some type of clip or something. And pin it. But yeah, it's a lot of hair. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Yeah, I think I would like it in a looser curl, me personally. I mean, like I said, for those of you that like big hair, this will probably be good, y'all. For me, not so much. And I can see it Dylan now grabbing everything because he likes hair, so I can see him now. But I'm going to do the same method, and I'm going to use a different curl pattern and let you guys see the difference. But I can see this being in like a big curly bun. Like I think that would be super cute. But yeah, so there's that. Well, yeah. And I don't want to put mousse on it because I don't know if that would even help it get smaller, because this is not human hair. I know mousse can work on synthetic hair, but I really want to take that chance. No, it was $5.99 a pack. And it's not like it took me forever to even put this in. Like, I did it in about 15-20 minutes. So, and I only used like 1.5 pack in the front. So can you imagine me using like 2 full packs? Yeah, no. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. I don't want to keep going rambling on and on and on. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with another video with a different curl so y'all can see. Yeah, we gonna run this back with a different curl pattern. Anyways, and if you guys do like this curl pattern, like I said, it was Free Tris Boho Kinky Junior. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.